is all set to take part in the naval exercise Malabar 21 with Quad countries from Wednesday. Indian Navy is participating in the sea phase of exercise Malabar 2021 from 26 to 29 August 2021 along with the US Navy, Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force and Royal Australian Navy, read Ministry of Defence press release, reports ANI. Malabar series of maritime exercises commenced in 1992 as an INUSN exercise. In 2015, Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force joined Malabar as a permanent member. The 2020 edition witnessed the participation of the Royal Australian Navy. This year marks the 25th edition of ex-Malabar being hosted by USN in the Western Pacific. Malabar 21 would witness complex exercises including anti-surface, anti-air, and anti-submarine warfare drills and other maneuvers and tactical exercises. The exercise will provide an opportunity for participating navies to derive benefits from each other's expertise and experiences, the release added. The Indian Navy's participation includes INS Shivalik, INS Kadmat, and P-81 patrol aircraft led by Rear Admiral Tarun Sopti, VSM Flag Officer commanding Eastern Fleet. The US Navy will be represented by USS Barry, USNS Rappahannock, USNS Bighorn, and P-8A patrol aircraft. The Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force will be represented by JS Kaga, Marusami, and Shiranoe, in addition to a submarine and P-1 patrol aircraft. The Royal Australian Navy will be represented by HMAS Varanmunga, added the release. The Indian Navy ships sailed from Guam where they participated in operational turnaround from August 21 to 24, 2021. During this phase, the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Naval Command Vice Admiral A.B. Singh, VSM exchanged views with counterparts in the US Navy. The conduct of the exercise while observing health protocols during the COVID-19 global pandemic is a testimony to the synergy between the participating navies and our shared vision for a free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific region, said the release. News Desk, Kaumudy English.